Yo, what's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Stacy, aka the Adventure Doll, and I'm back here with another video as I always promise. So for today's video, I had ordered some shoes from Lola Shoetique, and they just came in, and I felt that I should do a little unboxing so y'all can see what type of new shoes I got. Look at so cute. I just ordered some shoes from LolaShoetique.com. I never ordered from them before, and I thought that would be a great idea for you guys to just watch and see what type of new shoes I got. So yes, let's not waste any time. Let's unbox this and get to it. So I got this. Dear Lola babe, your purchase made my day and I hope these brighten up yours. Thank you for being my daily motivation. I wouldn't be able to do what I love without y'all. Yours truly, Lola. She's so cute. A little bag. Y'all can see it. Miss Lola. So these are the shoes that I got. This is how it looks, so for now, but let me just show you guys. These are it. Okay, so these are the shoes, if you guys can see here. I'm gonna try them on. Let's try them on. Just don't watch my crusty feet, please. So, oh, look at that, guys. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at them. Oh, so these is how it looks, guys. This is how it looks. I'm wearing a size 7.5. Usually I wear size 8, but for like open toe, definitely I wear 7.5. They look so nice. So nice. Look at this. Oh. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. These are so nice. I love how they have the bling on them. Y'all know me. I love my bling. So, yeah. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Nothing big. Just new pair of shoes that I bought from a company I haven't bought before. Miss Lola Shoetique.com. Again, these are it. I think I'm gonna let you guys know how they definitely work. Definitely work. I'm gonna let you guys know how they work with my feet, I should say, because sometimes when you buy heels they hurt, so after a while some heels don't, some heels do. So they're so cute. Love the diamonds on it. Look at that, honey. That is all me.